because I'm a boring person, and I'm gonna get some extensions. Oh, actually. Oh! And don't forget to subscribe. Oh! Hey guys! So today I'll be reviewing Lullabellz hair extensions. Don't know if you pronounce it Lullabellz or Lullabellz. I don't know. So today I'll be trying some on. Excuse my face today as well. I don't have any makeup on because I'm a lazy person. But before we get into... Before we get into the video, I just want to say a massive shout out to this screenshot and Anna, which is my best friend in Australia. Some of you may know her anyway because I used to do videos with her. So shout out to you, and I miss you a lot. Can't wait to see you again. Thanks for taking that. And another shout out to Michael for taking this screenshot and putting it on your story for all your friends to see, so thanks for that. I met him on YouNow. If you guys know what YouNow is, it's a streaming app. But anyways, getting on with it. On Lullabellz website, it comes up with a range of colours, like a lot, but I didn't trust myself. They also have a free colour match, so you can email them, you can DM them on Instagram, and they'll tell you what they think would match your hair colour. But I didn't trust that either because I have trust issues. So I decided to buy a colour ring. This is really weird because you got all like different hair colours on a ring. So yeah, it's a bit strange. I dyed my hair recently. Shout out to God is a Woman. My hair looks really dark brown right now. Before I dyed my hair, it was kind of like an ash browny colour, but I didn't really want my hair to be that colour. I wanted it to be darker. So I dyed my hair, and now the extension colour that I wanted, which is chestnut, my hair is now darker than that colour. But I'm gonna try my extensions on today to see if the colour matches. And if not, it's fine, because when I wash my hair, it'll fade. And I know you're probably thinking, why are you getting extensions when your hair is long? My hair is really thin. This is it. This is all my hair. I can't really do anything with it, like any hairstyles. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get some hair extensions and see if it works. I didn't buy this. I bought the ring, and then this came free on the website. It's just a hair extension hanger, which hopefully will stop it from getting as tangled as it would normally. Anyway, here are the extensions. Get ready for the length. Prepare for this. That's how long they are. They will go down to my bum. Guys, but the colour, if you can kind of see, it's lighter than my hair right now. But also, I wanted to tell you guys that once you open it, you can't return it, then it's yours. I'm gonna open it, and we'll get into that. You guys can see. I'm so scared that they're not gonna match, but it's fine, because if they don't match, then I can make it match. It's fine. It also does this thing as well. I think they've been really smart into doing this. But once you unstick it, it does this. And I think then they'll know that you've opened it. They're coming out. I'm so weird. I'm sorry. I also forgot to mention as well, if you find any embarrassing things within this video, screenshot them and put it on your Instagram, like the screenshots at the start. Can I just say, these extensions are thick. Look at that. It looks real, and it's kind of scaring me because it looks like real. Oh, that is so pretty. This is gonna be like my old hair. Okay, let's get on with putting them in now. It's like a horse's mane. I don't know if that's a compliment. These are chestnut in 26 inches in chestnut. And I'm also thinking of chopping my hair here. I know some of you might be like, don't worry, I don't think I'm gonna go bald. Although some girls, they make that work, but not me. I don't think I have the right face shape to be bald. You have no idea how nervous I am right now because this hair is so light. The hair was £28 on the website. I paid £23 for it. which is postage onto it because it was on sale. It was on sale. What? It had a percentage off it. What am I saying? I don't know. Okay. Ooh. So the hair extensions come with a little clip on them as well. This is a 5 clip. You put that on this part, like the thickest part of your head. That's a 4 clip. So I'm going to put a 4 clip on first. So what I'm going to do, now I brushed my hair before I started. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, I like how I'm telling you, don't take this as a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing. A section from my ears, and then I'm going to do this, I guess. You guys are coming along on this journey. Things falling out already. This isn't going good, guys. I'm so bad at this. Tie this up. Like that. Wow, look at that, guys. Like it. Make sure it's all brushed out so it doesn't get knotty and annoying. So now I'm going to take this and unclip them. Guys. And then hook. Let me oh no. Grab that in there. Hook it. Push it in. Hook it. Push them in. Hook it. Bring this to the front. Oh! Okay, so right now, obviously, my hair is darker, but my hair's gonna fade. But can I just say, I've only put one piece in. My head weighs the world, but long though, like, oh, this looks so bad, I'm sorry. Okay, so now, what I'm gonna do is take my hair down. I'm getting excited now and I need to calm down. You need to calm down. You're being too loud. Yeah, that's me. That's me, alright. Look at this. I've realised that some extensions actually look like that though. No offence, but I think Zala headphones? Zala headphones? Zala hair extensions. They look quite thin to me, I don't know. But now I'm going to take a section from my eyebrows. Like this. And then I'm going to wrap them around my massive head. This is so annoying. I look better in the mirror than I do in the camera. So you guys have to see my ugliness. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 5 clip. Wow, I'm eating the hair here. So this is this. That in there. Clip it in. There. Clip it in. Clip it in. Clip it in. And get this clip. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. It'll go when my hair starts to fade. Just trust me on this one. Don't come at me in the comments say you got the wrong shade, because I didn't get the wrong shade. I basically dyed my hair too dark. This is the shade I wanted. Believe it or not, my hair was lighter. It was nearly ginger. Anyways, I'm gonna now take this down. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna take the 3 section a bit around the crown of my head. Some people's heads might not be big enough for this. Try this up. Right now on camera it looks like I've got highlights or something. But anyways, we'll grab this, unclip them like that. Okay. Now I've got even more hair. See these parts here? I just wish my hair was like the same colour. I would have to straighten my hair as well, I think. So now I'm going to take that section down. Oh, guys, this is so heavy. Now I'm going to section these. The sections where hopefully the whole thing will come together. And if not, then I'm just wasting my money. I'm just kidding. Okay. I think that brought it together, actually. Compared to that side, section this out. Flip it over because I have no clips. Getting the last piece now. I can't wait till my hair fades now because... wow, I've never been so excited for my hair to fade before. Normally I'm like, oh, I hope my hair doesn't fade. Okay, oh. I just whacked myself. That wasn't very nice. Gosh, this is heavy. I can't even. So this is it. I need to brush it out. Because if I brush it out, my thought process is that they will go together better. I might end up just wearing one or two of them if I decided to grow my hair out again and I just wanted some more thickness. Here we are. So, this is it. Okay, so if you guys can see, this is how long the hair is. Kind of looks like my old hair. What does it look like from the back? I'm gonna be honest though, it's heavy. Ugh. Like so heavy. Unless you have hair extensions. Hair extensions and hair is heavy. I've never had like proper thick hair before. You can't even see my hair now because of that. That's annoying me because my hair's still too dark. But when it fades, it looks nice. Who is this? Like, yeah. So, look how thick this is now. Ah! That's the thumbnail shot there, look. Like, whoa, this is crazy, man. A little... Woo! I got the straight hair. The website has loads of different hairstyles you could get. Wavy, you could get beach curls, and obviously there's this one which is the straight. But I decided to get straight because I don't really do anything to my hair. I don't like straighten it or anything. What am I saying? Oh my god. I don't curl it. I can't stop playing with it, it's really soft. Sometimes I sleep in plaits. Then when I have it in plaits and it ends up being wavy, it's quite thicker then anyway. Just imagine though, if I had wavy hair plus my hair, like it'd be out here. I don't know if that adds to like the weight, but if it did, I don't know how I could deal. It's just a weird experience. Like they feel really strange, but I think when I wear them more, I haven't had hair to my bum in like 5 years maybe. Next day, short hair. Oh, wait, I've got long hair again. Yeah. Anyways, this is how long the hair is. Oh, little outfit of the day as well. Got these on from New Look. So you can tell I'm gonna be a beauty guru, fashion designer or whatever. Hey guys, I'm back. So checking in to the hair. My mum's like, what? Sorry for the noise in the background, the TV's on. Just checking in with my hair. I've had it in for quite a while now. To be honest, I feel like I'm getting a bit used to it. First time I put it in, it was really heavy, but now it doesn't feel that heavy. You guys can see what the hair looks like. Oh, don't need to see them close there. That's what it looks like, and that's what we have going on. Oh, but after I finished the clip of me putting my hair in, I ended up taking it out again and then putting it in and then taking it out and then putting it in again, but I'm still not doing it right. My hair is very thin at the top, so I think I'm gonna have to put them a bit further down or back comb this part. I'm gonna take them out now because it's time for bed. It's time for me to go to bed. Honest opinions, I probably have to brush them a lot because I've watched a few YouTube videos of people saying that they get quite knotty, but I'm gonna go now. So yeah, if you liked the video, like it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, because that would help me out a lot. And yeah, goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching this. I would recommend them though, because they actually, if you look at them close up, they look like real hair, and they were cheap, so it's great. You can use heat on them up to 180 degrees. What I heard was you can't style them into a different style, like into curly or wavy or anything. I'm gonna go now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.